I'm right here in Douglas Avenue and Main Street. We're gonna go ahead and set off this right here. Yes, I did not hit that button because once again, I did not hit this button. I only hit that button right here.
Wait. Traveling south. Wait.
This intersection has 10 seconds, I think.
Walk sign is on. Wait. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Wait. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. Traveling south. Wait.
Alright, are you ready? Push button for walk sign, as you can see right there.
Wait. Walk sign is on.
Let's
Walk
cross.
sign is on. Walk sign is on. 10, 9.
And yes, there's like 2 push buttons right here. I recommend push that button right here.
Wait. Traveling east.
East.
Wait.
This one's east, and this button's also east right here too.
Wait. Traveling east. Wait. Traveling east.
Yeah, push the cross push button, huh?
Wait. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. 10, 9. Wait. Traveling north.
North.
5, 4, wait.
Let's go cross right now.
Wait.
Just turn right already.
Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on.
Just go ahead.
10,
We're gonna go ahead and cross here.
8. Wait. Traveling west.
West.
5. Wait. Traveling west.
There it is. Alright, this one's traveling west. If you come back, that's gonna be traveling east.
Wait.
You hear them right
Wait.
here.
Traveling west. Wait. Traveling west.
On.
Walk sign is on. 10.
Alright guys, I think that's it of this video.